Okay, so this is the F2 girl. Hi, honey. She waking up? Come outside with me? Come here. I'll take her outside so you can see her color a little better. Down here. Oh, hopefully that's not too bright. So we can see her here. Okay, let's try the shade. Oh, yeah, walk over to the shade for me. Come on, honey. Stand over here. So you can see your color. Come here. Hey. Look at me. Let's see your face. Come here. It's got really pretty markings. Do I see your face? Hold still. I know. What are you doing to me?